Yes, we're watching. He walked over the middle one.
Yep.
And he knocked the third one over and pulled that out.
I might just see him run around the kitchen with it.
It's like a bale of hay to him. What are you doing? I'm never buying this stuff for you, ever. Oh, now he's tearing it apart.
No, he has not done this the last couple nights. This is the first.
Oh, I'm so glad I caught it. Look at you. What are you doing? You're making a mess of her floor. You know, if Sock sees you ruining his little grass, he's going to kill you. Look at the mess you're making.
It's okay. It sweeps up.
Tabby. Who's going to win? Tabby or the grass? Who's going to win? Huh? You going to beat that grass?
You may have to
Oh.
take that home with you. Tabby. You're not hungry. Trust me. Want some extra light?
No, I think we got him pretty good right here. I don't know if this is all going to upload or not. It's almost 3 minutes long already. Tabby.
Now, you would have thought he'd have done this the last couple days.
Yeah, not when it's time to leave.
Nope.
Look at the mess you've made. Look at the mess. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, look, look, look.
That's okay.
Look who's watching.
Hey, Socks.
Socks, look what Tabby's doing.
What's he doing to your grass, huh? What's he doing, sweetie?
Shredding it.
You know, Socks waits for it to get old and brown before he'll eat it. He doesn't really chomp on it when it's fresh and green.
Well, doesn't look like Tabby has much complaints. Which is more interesting, socks or the grass? Socks or the grass? Boom! It's socks.